Hurricane Milton, called the worst storm in the century, is closing in on Florida with unsurvivable 165-mile-per-hour winds. Over 3 million people are in its direct path. The storm has been upgraded to Category 5, making it a life-threatening situation for those in its path. Tampa Bay is bracing for up to 15 feet of storm surge. Evacuations are mandatory, but roads are gridlocked. Many are struggling to leave due to fuel shortages. Some people are even fleeing to other states like Tennessee to escape this catastrophic storm. The storm is expected to hit the UK next week after crossing the Atlantic. It's fueled by unusually warm ocean waters, exacerbating the hurricane's power. Evacuations in Florida must happen before dark, as it's unsafe to travel once conditions worsen.